Hey everyone, my name is Mike Friel and I'm the director of the Masters of Healthcare Administration program at Bellevue University. I want to talk to you for a couple minutes about our program. Now, first and foremost, the MHA is a very pragmatic kind of program. That means that the knowledge and skills and abilities that you gain in the coursework are something that you are going to be able to apply right away in the job. Now, our courses include topics related to healthcare administration, such as leadership, uh, quality management, health information technology, finance, HR, strategic and operational management, and some other topics that are very pertinent to what healthcare administrators do in their day-to-day responsibilities. So we see students from really across the board. We see students from large health systems, small urban critical access hospitals, clinics, long-term care facilities, insurance companies, and really a wide range of different kinds of organizations. But something that is common with all of them is they want to get better at what they do. They want to learn more about how to become an effective healthcare leader in their respective organizations. And I think that's something that Bellevue University does really well. Now, we have different kinds of assignments that we provide for students. They include quite a few papers that you have to write, lots of discussion boards where you learn a lot from each other in the classroom. So you'll learn a little bit from your instructor, but you're going to learn a whole lot from everybody else that's participating in those conversations. We do PowerPoint presentations. We do video presentations. We have interviews with executives in leadership roles, which provide students with a great connection to top level information in their respective organizations. So all in all, this is a very applied kind of program. We really cover some of the critical competencies associated with healthcare administration that I mentioned. And it's something that I think students enjoy because they can use this, they can apply it right away on their jobs. So I look forward to seeing you in the near future here. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact us. Thanks for your time.